Hey there, what's up? Is this your first time watching my videos? Then welcome to NJfusion. My name is Neetu Joseph. Today I got a fresh bunch of spinach and I thought I'll make a quick, simple yet delicious side dish. This can be served both as vegetarian and non-vegetarian side dish and I'll let you know how in the video further. Also, this is a super duper lifesaver for bachelors and newbies who are new to cooking. So without much ado, let's dive right in. In a hot pan, add some oil, approximately 2 tablespoons. Add some mustard, allow it to splutter. Add in some rice. Yes, you heard me right. The rice is going to puff up and give a good crunch to the recipe. Saute the rice really well and make sure that it does not get charred. Add in the diced onions. For this recipe, I prefer diced onions. If you want your onions to remain long and slender, go ahead and do so. But make sure that onions do not turn translucent. It needs to remain crunchy for this recipe. Add some salt for taste with a little turmeric. Did you know salt and turmeric, they are match made in heaven, and almost 90% of the households in Asia, South Asia especially, use salt and turmeric in almost all their dishes. Well, now I'm preparing a non-vegetarian recipe, so I'm going in with 1 whole egg. So the ratio is for 1 bunch of spinach, 1 whole egg. You can increase the quantity as per your requirement. And if you are going to prepare a vegetarian recipe, go in with grated coconut instead of eggs. And if you need a video on that, do let me know in the comments below. I'm more than happy to put it out. And now I'm going to add in the chopped spinach. I've chopped it into medium size. Top it off with black pepper powder. And you need to know that spinach does not take a longer time to cook. So you don't want to overcook your spinach. Instead, just add the ingredients and stir it up with the rest of them and cook for 2 to 5 minutes max. Overcooked spinach loses all its nutrients and we don't want to do that. Now our dish is ready to serve. Well, if you like this recipe, do like and share and try it out and come back and leave a comment in the video below. And if this is your first time on my channel, don't forget to subscribe because your support means a lot to me. So until next time, it's loads and loads of love from NJ. Bye now.